A woman from a shoe store shared this trick with me. Pull the back of the paper up toward your ankle. Fold both sides inward and fit them snugly around your foot. Now fold the larger part of the newspaper in from both sides, pressing it down with your hand to make it narrower. Tuck the bottom part underneath and shape the sole. Fold the excess paper and hook it onto the back of the newspaper that was pulled up. Done. Simple newspaper slippers that insulate your feet from a cold floor. My grandma showed me a trick to make my son's shoes last longer. It has made my life so much easier. We all know how quickly kids' feet grow. You might pull out your child's shoes from the closet one day, only to find that they're too tight. This simple hack can stretch shoes by up to one size. All you need are two things: a Ziploc bag and water. First, fill the Ziploc bag with water and seal it tightly to prevent any leaks. Then, place the bag inside the shoe. Now, all you need to do is put the shoes in the freezer and leave them overnight. As the water freezes, it will expand and stretch the shoes from the inside. The next day, remove the bags and let the shoes dry. I guarantee the shoes will fit better. This trick also works for new shoes that might be causing blisters. However, if your child walks unevenly, this hack won't help, and you'll need to visit a shoe store to find a better fit. Don't do this if you wouldn't want your leather shoes to last for years. This trick was shown to me by my uncle, who has worked as a cobbler for many years. Shoes made of genuine leather absorb moisture easily without proper protection, which quickly leads to damage. But I have a solution for that. Add 1 tablespoon of baby shampoo to a bowl. It's gentle, doesn't dry the leather out, and helps clean the surface without damaging its structure. Then pour in about 2 fluid ounces of olive oil, which nourishes, softens, and protects the leather from cracking. Also add about 2 fluid ounces of vinegar. The vinegar helps protect the leather from moisture. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil, which has antibacterial properties and leaves a pleasant scent. Mix everything thoroughly with a spoon so the ingredients combine well. Apply the prepared mixture evenly to the shoes and spread it carefully over the entire surface. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Remove the excess with a paper towel. After a few minutes, reach for Vaseline. Apply a small amount with a cotton swab, focusing on creases and dry areas. Leave the shoes for about 1 hour so the leather can absorb everything. Finally, wipe them with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any residue and give them a subtle shine. Thanks to this method, you'll waterproof your shoes for many seasons to come.